Jignesh Shah's 63 Moons wants to ride the crypto wave but won't start an exchange. 63 Moons Technologies, formerly Financial Technologies India, founded by Jignesh Shah, wants to ride the crypto boom in India but will not launch an exchange as one would have expected because of the businessman's past association with one. Instead, 63 Moons through its subsidiary Ticker Plant said on December 9 that it launched a global crypto super app called CryptoWire. The decision by 63 Moons to create content comes as a clutch of groups, backed by deep-pocketed investors, have jumped to float crypto exchanges amid the uncertainty over the fate of cryptocurrencies in India. Media reports have said the government will discourage trading in cryptocurrencies by imposing hefty capital gains and instead classify crypto as an asset class by launching a new bill in parliament. A recent Reuters report quoted industry estimates and said India has up to 20 million crypto investors and total crypto holdings of around $5.35 billion. As the uncertainty you suggested is pertaining to the exchange and crypto regulation in India, we are not inflicted by it, said the company. The CryptoWire press statement also has a list of members of its new board.